What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Diesel. Hurting. I got a headache. I've had a headache all day. You ain't gonna pass me, boy. Man, just pass me. Nice little ZX10. Anyways, yeah, I got a really bad headache. Figured doing some wheelies on the 1000 would clear it up. We're heading out to a street ride tonight. Want the smaller bikes, doing wheelies throughout the city. I'm on a bigger bike in case things get a little spicy. I can pull off and head back on out. I took some of that Goodies cocaine powder that Wawa sells that clears up your headache. I'm hoping it kicks in very soon. Out here, baby. On that 450. There we go. Got Rookie up here on the FZ. High chair Harley. Woo! One hand to that bitch. That scooter didn't want to race. He's breaking off from the back. Come on, bro. Come on. Save the boys. We'll keep you safe. Dropping her back. Okay. Real gentle with the foot brake now, I see. Making some gains. Yeah, no traffic work downtown for me in the Beamer right now. Rookie downtown with it. So So tonight we're tempting some rollers on this thing. This brake system makes it really easy to feel out the rolling burnouts. Like some bikes you gotta like give it a ton of clutch bump to get it started, but obviously this bike's got a ton of power, so that's not needed. But the brakes are really responsive, so it's easy to feather on and off of them if you want to get more speed, more tire rotation, less speed, etc., etc. Let's go, Cody. Downshifted to first. Well, there goes about 20 bucks worth of tire, I'd say. I think we got some good clips under there. Woo! Did a wet! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! 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 See this man hitting his throttle? 20 different ways? Turn signal lights are so bright. God, that is... a little one, just a little one, just a little one. Alright, if you rock keychains, especially like keys on your key for your bike, and it jiggles around, it's going to leave the scratch. So previous owner did it, not me. That's why you only see me rocking a key with no keychain. I just don't want anything scratching that triple tree. Whip, whip. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no to the no, no, no. With the U-Haul truck too. Fuck out of here. Tandems on the FJ09 though. Quite the combo. Hey. Woo. On it. My nuts are getting crunched in this bitch. Anybody shop at IKEA? I've never been inside one of those. Or they give you free food of some sort, pretzels or something. What do they give you to eat at IKEA? I'm curious. Woo! Fireball. I'm trying a new technique of not screaming as much while I'm watching people wheelie. That way you guys can hear the bikes and shit more. Unless you want to hear. Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Dude, I keep crushing my balls on this bike. I'm like adjusting them every stop, and it ain't helping it. It ain't helping it. And look at you crush your balls so hard, you start fucking up your vocab. Adventure bike confirmed. BMW is an adventure bike. Yeah, it's an adventure bike. You're ripping the Honda. He was on the KTM earlier tonight, adapted to the Honda quick. I think he owned one of these before. It's kind of comfy. Alright, he's coasting, he's pretty comfy. And I think my tire's like bald. Yeah, I got wires showing. We got one sweet burnout out of it. Let me film rookie while I'm talking here. Gotta get them froggers crispy. Yes, sir. Got that Captain Morgan. That's what I used to call that trick. Look at that big Bucks flag. I never noticed that thing. Vaping and shit. Back on the KTM. There we go. This side's becoming to get loose. Becoming loose. A little loose for my liking. Alright, we are wrapping up the night ride, heading out to Salem's to get some chicken, shrimp, whatever else they got. Gyros. One blood Darwin though. Whoa, crazy lady over here. Alright guys, we're going to wrap the video up. Where we're going to get food is closed, so I'm going to start getting hangry. I don't want y'all to see that. Hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Kept the Beamer in one piece. Just got a loose right clip on, or left clip on. But yeah. Other than that, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, keep it dank. Have a great week, and later.